Hi guys! Today we're going to be doing standing back tuck in Airbnb because I have showcase tomorrow. And I'm in jeans, so let's do it. We're going to be doing it in like 3 spots or 2. Whoa! Why is the lights flickering? Okay, we got it to stop. But let's do this before they start flickering again. Oh. We're just going to turn it off at this point. Okay, so let's do this, but I have to go to dinner in a little bit. We're in 6:45, I think. 6:36 or 6:36. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Whoa! Wait, let's do another one. Oh, that one's bad. Okay, let's go to our second spot. I think I can do one in here. Okay, we're in our second spot, which is my room. Okay, this is my room. So this is a bed. This is my grandma's bed. And then this is my bed. It came with all this stitch, by the way. Okay. Ours fell. Okay, so this is the space we're working with. I don't know. I feel like I could like step. Or should I just step? Or should I just... I think I'm gonna do that. Wait, let's move my shoes. Okay, so... Okay, I got this. Alright, let's go. So here... Tuck. Alright, I got it. Alright, we're doing it. Oh my gosh. I'm doing a standing back tuck. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay guys, we're gonna pause it just. Okay, that's my baby. But let's do it. So, tuck. Okay, I got this. Alright, here we go. Oh, wait, we did it. Wait. Let's try it with a step. Whoa. Okay, wait, we did it. I don't know how I just did that. Okay, our last spot is going to be on the couch. First, we're going to move the pillows. And I have to, like, pause the video because we have 30 seconds left until it's out. Okay, I'm honestly just going to throw it. I'm very scared. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We had that. One more time. Okay, take 2. Oh, we did it! Yes! Okay, that was it. Bye.